Let's see what is happening in our surroundings. I would like to call Kirtana to say news.
Happy morning everyone, myself Kirtan of grade 9. Today I am here to say news. International news. Hong Kong activists get 10 years prison in biggest security case. National news. Due to Delhi pollution, APP seeks center note for artificial rain. State news. CM Revanth Reddy inaugurates Kalochi Kalishetram in Hanmakonda. Sports news. India has qualified for semi-finale in hockey women's. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirtana. A positive thought in the morning can make whole day positive. Now I would like to call Rupa to say thought.
Happy morning everyone, myself Rupa of grade 9 Topaz. Today's thought. Life becomes easier and more beautiful when we can see good in others. I repeat, life becomes easier and more beautiful when we can see good in others. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupa. Beautiful thought. My friend want to check your knowledge. My friend Hemant is bringing some GK questions to you.
Happy morning everyone, my name is Y. Hemant Kumar of grade 9 Topaz. I brought you GK question for grade 6. When is National Aquatic Day is celebrated? When is National Aquatic Day is celebrated? Sorry, did not pick correct answer. The answer is 17 November. For grade 7. Who is father of GK questions? Sorry, did not pick the correct answer. And the answer is Henry Frick.
Thank you, Hemant. Now I would like to call Shivacharan to say the short speech.
Happy morning everyone. My name is B. Shivacharan from grade 9 Topaz. Today I am going to say speech on two things. First is about time and second is about behavior. Never think about your past and waste the time. Past is only for learning, and never afraid for the future because you have the weapon called as present. Use it and succeed and remove the tension on the future. And second one is about behavior. Behavior is most important in our life. A certificate is just a piece of paper, but the real education is reflected in the behavior. If you have education but you are not having behavior, that means you will not be succeed in your life. But if you have behavior but not education, you can be succeed in your life.
Now I would like to call Nakshatra to say a speech.
Happy morning everyone, I am Nakshatra. Today I am here to say something about very important for those who want to serve their country. You might heard the term UPSC, but what exactly? UPSC or Union Public Service Commission is a committee which select individuals for most important and respected positions in country such as IAS, IPS, IFS, etc. UPSC exams are said to be one of the most difficult exams in the world, but it is not impossible for the people with dedication and hard work to reach. I wish let our country be served correctly by the people.
Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Thank you, Nakshatra. Now I would like to call Sai Santosh to say speech.
Happy morning to everyone. Myself Sai Santosh and I am here from 9th Topaz, here to explain few quotes with examples. First, negativity attracts more than positivity. Let me explain this with an example. Just imagine if we are walking by a street and we see two scenes. At first, two persons are arguing and fighting and discussing about their life, and at the second scene a person is sharing about his knowledge and experience. What would we prefer to choose? most of us will prefer to choose the fight because our mind mostly attracts to negativity. Second, everyone starts to pray to the warrior only when the enemy is at the near. Let me explain this with an example. In class, every teacher asks to student ask some questions, but no one asks